That ain't right. All right, we'll see if we can do something.
Everything against this part might be a little bit more stable, eh?
Yeah, we'll see. We'll try it. Spring back in place.
Oh, I'm very proud of myself now, brother. I guess
Put a strap up over. She pulled the truck up on its side, put the spring back in place, and let her down. How easy is that? Oh! Going too fast. Bounced over a big rock. Same. Spring out of place again. The plate that holds it down is all rusted out and popped off, so nothing's holding the spring onto the axle. And I've got super long shocks, which let it droop more than it should. That's got to be fixed. All right, let's do her another roller on her side. All right, let's roll her on her side again. Keep going. Why are you letting off the gas? Just steady, give it. Just keep giving it. Good. Hold the brakes. All right, need a stick to put this back in.
Sticks again?
Yeah, something to get that back in place. The front end drooped good. All right, let's find a stick and see what we can do. Yeah. Well, keep coming. That's her. She's up again. Maybe give that a bounce or something to make sure she stays in the spot.
It's over the bolt, so it's going to be even easier trip on the way out, I guess.
Why? I can't see through the camera. It still doesn't look right.
Yeah, it's not centered.
Yeah,
but
she's not.
The coil's touching your center bolt, right?
Yeah.
So it's over the bolt, which is the centering bolt.
Can't even see in there. You know, if I take the shovel in this way, I can pry. Yeah, here, give me the shovel. I see the problem. There's no nut. I don't know if it's stripped or what happened, but the nut's gone. So, baby at home, pick it up and put another nut on that bolt right there. That would do it. The nut was on there. I don't know if it's pulled off, stripped off, I don't know. Anywho, back on the road again. That way a bit.
You're in the shadows.
Oh.
Maybe do this instead of just your finger.
All right, come ahead. You're good. Straight ahead. That. Keep coming. Keep coming. Get the back end up. Okay, cut her hard left. You're up onto that stump now, so come up onto it. There you go. Go up. There you go. Keep coming. You're good. Okay, wait. You missed the big spot. It's all good.
I did or I didn't?
No, you missed it. The big spot's at the other end. It's all good.